Welcome to the Autotrader Buy Here, Pay Here Center, the only comprehensive solution built exclusively for Buy Here, Pay Here dealers and shoppers. Today we are exploring another feature of the Buy Here, Pay Here Center, My Stats. The My Stats page offers a great analysis of who your shoppers are and how your inventory is doing. On the dealer dashboard, click on the My Stats tab to go directly to the Shoppers section so you can get to know your customers. On the Shoppers homepage, we can immediately see how many shoppers have found your dealership on the Buy Here, Pay Here Center during a specified period of time. The default is month to date, but you can choose other time frames by clicking on the Month to Date tab to see a list of options. We'll stick with month to date for now. Here we can see how many times these shoppers saw the dealership and your vehicles in search results. Scroll along the graph at the bottom and you can see how many clicks you receive on a daily basis. Your results are nearly real-time, so you can see how effective your advertising is. From what you've seen so far, you can get a good idea of how accessible you are to your customers. Let's see how many times customers have clicked on your VDPs, microsite, email, or phone. Again, you can scroll along the graph to get a daily count in each category. Now you can get to know more about your customers and what they are most interested in by clicking on the Local Audience tab. In this example, you can see that 83% of the customers that have visited your site are interested in monthly payments. 53% would like to make a down payment of $500 at most. 32% are between the ages of 18 to 24, and they're 52% male, 48% female. The more you know about your customers, the better decisions you can make regarding your online presence, so you can capture even more customers. From here, you can cruise on over to the inventory section. Just like the Shoppers section, you can see how often your inventory appeared in local searches, and how often those listings were clicked on. You can see that performance from day to day here by scrolling across the graph at the bottom. Let's check out what's hot or not. Here is a list of the most searched vehicles in your market. This is good to know so you can add any of these types of vehicles that are currently in your inventory. Now you can see how the inventory that is currently listed on your site is performing. For each listing, you see its overall performance rating, how many times it appeared in search results, how many times the vehicle was clicked on, and an overall merchandising score. This information is going to help you make decisions about how you can better merchandise your vehicles so they show up in more search results, get more clicks, and of course, sell more quickly. Let's look at a sample. You can see that the Honda Accord is one of the most searched vehicles in this market. This dealer happens to have a 1999 Honda Accord listing that has shown in search results 1,695 times, but has only been clicked on 5 times. What could be done with this listing to improve its VDP results? At first glance, there are a few things that can be added to the VDP that might make this listing more attractive. Adding mileage, uploading photos and/or video, and adding more information and comments about the car. As we have mentioned, the more information provided, the more response it will likely get. The more response it gets, the faster it will sell. For more information about merchandising best practices and other helpful hints to help you make the most of your online presence, be sure to check out the Dealer Resources tab at the top of the dealer dashboard. Using the tools available on the Autotrader Buy Here, Pay Here Center will ensure that you have every opportunity to effectively connect with your customers. Thank you for using the Autotrader Buy Here, Pay Here Center.